What's up everyone, it's Chic Shay here, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button to get new videos every week. And don't forget to like too. Today's video, I'm going to be answering a major question. What exactly is a business developer and what do they do? There's a lot of questions on what people like myself do. I'm going to be giving you answers to the most asked questions and some things to look out for when hiring a business developer. So if you're like me, you've probably been seeing ads on different social media platforms of companies offering courses, ebooks, planners, and manufacturing lists. Although all of these things may be helpful to your business, there are a few things to think about before handing your money over to some of these companies. A business developer is a person or company who helps make small and large businesses turn into successful, thriving businesses. Some business developers, including myself, even help people with just ideas and ways to start their dream business. A good business developer is going to have an in-depth consultation with you about exactly what your business is all about. From its products or services to its core values, a business developer is going to want to know exactly what picture you've painted for your company. Then, they should implement a plan to help you grow your business into what you want. They should help by suggesting steps to improve your brand, build or advise in the process of building a business plan and marketing strategies, help in the cultivation of business-to-customer relationships, and provide other tools and services to promote success. Especially with new technology, it's easy for anyone to paint themselves as anything they want to be. This industry is no exception. Number one, you should be wary of people with a fake following. You want your business to grow organically, and whoever you choose to use should want the same thing. A big following doesn't always mean big results. Number two, stay away from companies giving you pre-written advice. Everyone has a different idea for their business, and people selling you something that gives you tips is someone just selling you a product. A service is what you should get from a business developer. Sometimes there is an exception to this rule, like buying manufacturing lists. But understand you should always try to get your own list of manufacturers as well. Now, business developers can sell you products on the side, such as ebooks, workshops, and other things, but the main thing they should do is give your business a customized service. Online is a great way to start, especially social media or placing an advertisement on job sites. Make sure to screen the people you are interested in working with. Giving my honest opinion, I do think having a great business developer on your team is extremely beneficial. As entrepreneurs, we always think we can take on the world and do everything on our own. But I want you to ask yourself some serious questions. What are your strengths and weaknesses? What if you had more time to focus on your strengths while still having the things that you may not be the greatest at, still done and done right? Would you be less likely to give up if you had someone pushing you to greatness? If you answered yes to these last two questions, then yes, I definitely think it's worth it.